In this video, I'll detail how to fix AirPods not connecting to phone or to iPhone. So while using your AirPod, literally, it has to connect with your iPhone. So when you open the lid, just like this, it should be connected to your iPhone automatically while you see a pop with your iPhone Bluetooth enabled. But if you found out or discover that your AirPod Pro or your AirPod is not connecting to your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if you don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to fix your AirPod not connecting to your iPhone is to check whether there are numerous devices on your iPhone Bluetooth list. So if you have a number of them, then you want to go ahead and remove the ones that you are not using. To do this, just go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, click on Bluetooth. Once you selected that, then you should see the list of all connected devices, all my devices on your Bluetooth. Then check out the one you are not currently using and click on the information icon, then tap forget device, then click on forget device. Then once that is done, that's the first thing you want to do when you are trying to fix your AirPod is not connecting to your iPhone. Then come back to the AirPod itself. On the AirPods, just locate the reset button at the back, press and hold it for a couple of seconds. Then once you hear a beep, there's going to be a transition of light from blue to cyan, so like this. Then on the AirPod, open the AirPod like this. Once opened, then locate a button at the back. There is a flat button at the back of the AirPod Pro or AirPod Pro 2. Then press and hold it, and once you press and hold it for a couple of seconds, there's going to be a transition of light from blue light to cyan. So then once you do this is going to reset the AirPod. Then hang on while this light keep blinking. You can see we have a cyan light. Then after a couple of seconds, the cyan light is going to transit to a blue light. So during this process, your AirPod is trying to reset. And once the reset process is completed, then you can just close the lid. Now, once that is done, then take your iPhone and see if your AirPod is going to connect to your iPhone, and see if AirPod not connecting to iPhone is fixed. Just open the AirPod casing or lid and hang on, then you should see a pop that your AirPod and iPhone is not connected together. However, if when your iPhone and AirPod connect together, you are prompted to set up the AirPod new or connect it new to your iPhone, then just go ahead and click on the continue button and follow the prompt. So this is exactly how you can easily, or the simplest approach I use to fix AirPods not connecting to iPhone or phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.